original. Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you're not new, welcome back. Good to see you again. But today this video is sponsored by Beauty Forever Hair, so let's get into it. They sent these lashes, and y'all, these lashes looking cute. They're not in a little box product, they look expensive how we like it, balling on a budget. They also sent that wig cap and this hair. Honey, look at this hair. She looking expensive with the two money pieces in the front. That's what I like to call them, because like if you can bleach your hair in the front, you got money per. And this wig also came with a fake scalp, so you know, the less the work the better per. Came with the fake scalp and like half of inch in the front, just in case you want to make it want to look more like your natural hair. And we love that about her. Then it also came with two side combs and a comb in the back. And yeah, let's get into the install process. This was so easy, and I just littered on my own floor. But this install was so easy, y'all. But don't come for my nails, because right now they're looking crazy. So I'm just letting y'all know that I know, okay? Okay, her. And here's a little tattoo update. Go watch my vlog. If you missed that video of me getting this tattoo, go watch my vlog, because your girl took it like a G. Per. Sheesh, exactly. But anyway, let's get into this install. But before we get into this install, my nail had done ripped the cap, because like I said, they raggedy and they on some other stuff. But before we get into that, y'all peep the green screen? Y'all peep it? Oh, okay. Because I wasn't in my natural setting that I'm always in, so I had to just, like, you know, make do with what I had, and all I had was a green screen. So I just put it to work as I did my little dancey dance. Purr. Yeah, I be in my own world, I swear. But I was bamboozled, I was tricked when I saw this wig, because I thought it was a 4x4, right? It wasn't. They gave me oh, I did cut myself. Y'all, this video all over the place. But anyway, they gave me 4 across the front, like 4, like half an inch. And then they gave me 1 part in the middle, which I really didn't mind, because when I have 4x4, it's gonna go in the middle anyway, so I don't care. But I was just like feeling tricked, you know? And I don't like to feel tricked. But anyway, I've been talking the whole video, and this video is going by real fast, but I'm gonna just let y'all sit back and relax and enjoy the video of me putting this wig on. Also fighting with the wind, because it was so hot and I had to keep the wind on, and it was just beating me up at this point, and I was just regretting so much. But anyway, I'll let y'all watch the video in peace, because I literally just been rambling since it started. So yeah, enjoy. If I missed anything, if I didn't say anything that you needed to know, then just drop it in the comment section. And cause y'all know I like to respond to y'all comments. I respond to everybody's comments. I don't care how many comments I have, I'm gonna respond, period. And I'm already looking like somebody fine auntie. Anyway, y'all, enjoy the video.
Steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling
Psych, I lied. No, I'm just playing. I had to come back in to let y'all know, be careful when you cutting your lace, because your girl, she made a terrible mistake. Because you know how I said they only gave me like half an inch of lace in the front. Look what I did. Look at that. Look, I cut off the whole half an inch. Like, what's she gonna do now? But you know, I had to finesse and make it work, because that's what we do over here. But this is how I'm installing this wig. I do not install every wig like this. Different wigs calls for different installs, and this wig is one of those wigs you have to finesse. Like I said, y'all know when I do reviews, I don't care if they're paid or not, I'm gonna give y'all the truth. And this is one of these wigs that you gotta finesse. This one of like those quick, easy wigs that you have, just like, I need to go to the grocery store, they talking about bonnets, I don't want to wear my bonnet out in public, let me throw this on my head. This is what you would put on. Or, you know, I gotta go get the kids from school, let me just throw some on my head so I don't embarrass my kids at school. Like, this is the wig. This is like your to-go wig. Like, you need something real fast, grab this wig. So I do feel like everybody need a to-go wig. Like, I definitely got one, but with this wig I got 2. So sis, go buy it, because this is in case emergency. And we be having emergencies. I know y'all do, because I do too. But anyway, let me stop rambling for real this time. But before I start rambling, y'all go add me on all social medias, because as you can see, I'm very active. Look at all these pictures I'm taking. I'm thinking I'm cute. But anyway, go add me. All of my stuff will be down in the description box. Y'all already know that, because literally every YouTuber tell y'all that. But yeah, mine's gonna be down there too. So yeah, go to all of my links and follow me. And enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, bye. For real this time.
Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be.
I promise I'm not coming to ramble again, even though I know y'all like hearing me talk. Anyway, while I clean up this part, let's just get into this hair. Y'all can't tell me I did not finesse this. I finessed this wig, because if anybody else would have got it, they would have been like, what is this? Return to sender. I don't want nothing to do with this hair. Don't put my name on it. Nah. But nah, I'm putting y'all on, so y'all know if y'all get a wig like this, how to finesse it. Okay, we clear? Okay, cool. But anyway, the link to this hair will be down in the description. All the coupon codes, everything you need to know to get the best deal. Because y'all know I like putting y'all up on game and helping y'all save y'all coins, because we like to ball on the budget, period. But y'all, I'm looking like somebody found auntie that just made it to the cookout. I brought all the kids some expensive gifts, and I'm too bougie, so don't touch me. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what else y'all want to see. Okay, bye. Love y'all.